This is right side of the work. And now we're going to turn over and crochet on wrong side. This is an even row, row 2. And every time you start on a relief color row, this is now row 2 relief color, you must be aware of the 2 4-chain tails. They are going to lie exactly right. This is because the design has a nice white border, white line here. And you put the tails right to get that border nice. So every time you start a relief color row, an even row on wrong side, be sure to have your relief color 4-chain tail on top of your background 4-chain tail. If you do this the opposite way, like this when you start, when I turn to right side, you can maybe see that the white line will be broken by green. So you will have green chains over here. So this is important. Every time you start an RC row, you have 2 chains. And remember, on wrong side, when you crochet on even rows, this is row 2, be sure to have your relief color 4-chain on top of your background color 4-chain.